Oh Lord, here I am again, with my heart in your hands. Hear my prayer. Oh Lord, yeah. I've walked through roads I couldn't understand. I've carried heavy burdens in my hands. There were nights when I was losing hope, but somehow you gave me strength to cope. When the world was turning away, you were there when I called your name. I may not have all the answers now, but I know you will show me how. So I lift my eyes to heaven, I put my trust in you. Whatever comes tomorrow, I know you'll see me through. This is my prayer. Take me higher, give me the strength to never give up. This is my prayer. Light my way when I'm walking through the darkness. Be my guide every day. Bless my family, bless the ones I love. Keep them safe underneath your love. Give me wisdom when I make my way. Give me courage for another day. When I stumble, help me stand. When I'm weak, hold my hand. And if I ever lose my way, bring me back to you again. So I lift my eyes to heaven, I put my trust in you. Whatever comes tomorrow, I know you'll see me through. This is my prayer. Take me higher, give me the strength to never give up. This is my prayer. Light my way when I'm walking through the darkness. Be my guide every day. I don't need riches, I don't need fame. All I need is your presence and the power of your name. When the storm comes, I will not run. I'll keep believing until the battle is won. Take me higher, give me the strength to never give up. Oh, this is my prayer. Light my way when I'm walking through the darkness. Be my guide every day. Oh, this is my prayer. Hear my heart, even when I don't know what to say. Never let us drift apart. Oh Lord, oh Lord, hear my prayer, guide my steps every day.